Imagine a Lexus so bold, so forward-thinking, that it completely rewrites what a supercar can be in the electric era. And in the next 30 seconds, you're about to understand why the Lexus LFA concept electric sports car might be the most important performance vehicle Lexus has ever revealed. Because this isn't just a concept, it's a statement of intent. A promise that the soul of the legendary LFA lives on. Just redefined for the future, and here on Gravity Automotive, we break down exactly why this car matters, starting with the philosophy behind it. As the new LFA concept is built around three core priorities that shape everything you see and everything you don't. A low center of gravity for razor-sharp handling. Extremely low mass combined with high body rigidity for raise-and-spire dynamics. And advanced aerodynamics that don't just look dramatic, but actively improve performance. All made possible by Toyota's first ever high-rigidity, aluminum spaceframe architecture. The same advanced platform shared with the GR-GT and GR-GT3, immediately telling us that this car was engineered with motorsport DNA from day one. And while Lexus has remained intentionally quiet about the exact battery size or chemistry, industry rumors strongly suggest major breakthroughs in solid-state battery technology. And if Lexus ever needed a halo car to introduce that technology to the world, the LFA concept would be the perfect launch platform. Especially considering how battery placement is expected to be integrated directly into the floor pan to keep the center of gravity as low as possible. Even though that creates engineering challenges with seating position and driving ergonomics, challenges Lexus claims to have solved through intelligent packaging that maintains an ultra-low driving posture without sacrificing EV efficiency. And visually this car is unmistakably Lexus, yet unlike anything else on the road, carrying forward the proportions and sculptural cues of the original LFA, while translating them into an EV-optimized form that feels both sensual and timeless. With a low, flowing silhouette that sharply contrasts the aggressive, hard-edged race cars it shares its architecture with, creating what Lexus describes as a universal sports car shape that resonates emotionally across cultures and generations. And dimensionally, this concept makes a powerful statement, stretching 184.6 inches in length, an imposing 80.3 inches in width, and sitting incredibly low at just 47.0 inches tall. Paired with a 107.3-inch wheelbase and a strict two-seat layout that reinforces its driver-focused purpose. And that theme of driver immersion continues inside, where Lexus introduces what it calls Discover Immersion, a design philosophy centered on deepening the emotional connection between driver and machine, using a minimalist interior that wraps functional elements tightly around the driver's seat, eliminating distraction while maximizing intuitive control. Highlighted by a futuristic yoke-style steering wheel designed to reduce hand repositioning during aggressive driving, with tactile controls placed so precisely that the driver can operate them by feel alone, reinforcing the idea that this car is meant to be driven hard, not just admired. And although Lexus has not officially released power output figures yet, it's clear this LFA concept is targeting true supercar performance, likely using a high-performance dual or quad-motor electric setup to deliver instant torque, precise torque vectoring, and all-wheel drive stability that surpasses what traditional gasoline powertrains can achieve, while also incorporating next-generation safety systems expected from a flagship Lexus, including advanced driver assistance technologies, structural crash optimization through the aluminum and intelligent electronic systems that monitor vehicle dynamics in real time to enhance stability without dulling the driving experience. And while pricing has not been confirmed, expectations place the production version well into six-figure territory, positioning it as a true halo model above the LC lineup, potentially replacing the emotional role once held by the LC500, while standing proudly as the spiritual successor to the original LFA. And it's worth remembering that when this car first appeared as the Lexus Sport concept at Monterey Car Week 2025, and later at the Japan Mobility Show 2025, many believed it would debut as a plug-in hybrid. But Lexus has now officially confirmed that this is indeed the next LFA, and that it will be fully electric, signaling a major shift, not just for Lexus, but for the entire high-performance luxury segment, proving that electrification does not mean the end of passion, sound, or excitement, but rather the evolution of how those emotions are delivered. And as Lexus continues refining the underlying technology, performance specifications, and production timeline, Gravity Automotive will keep you fully updated with verified information as it becomes available. Because the Lexus LFA concept electric sports car isn't just about speed or design, it's about redefining what a modern supercar should feel like in a world that's rapidly moving toward electrification, while still honoring the emotional legacy that made the LFA name legendary in the first place.